Can you guys tell me what you saw?
It's a truck sped off. We heard about 5 shots and came out here. He was laid right here.
Still breathing. Where they at?
Okay, they're coming right now. They're coming right now. White truck. Anything else that you can remember?
Ma'am, I can't tell. When I seen him lay on the ground, I tried to grab him.
He breathing real slow now. He was real hard. Now he breathing real slow.
They're coming right now.
Granny, calm down. Granny, calm down.
Hi, it was just shooting over here by 4575 Malibu Street.
What's the address?
He's bleeding.
4575 Malibu Street. Somebody's been shot.
Yeah, it's across the street though, like right across the street from my house. I don't know the address, but he bleeding.
Stay on the line. Stay on the line.
Testimony she gave in this case should be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay. Mr. Fudge, I want to bring your attention back to March 8th, 2019, and on that particular day you were the victim of a robbery.
Right.
And I want you to walk me through what happened that particular night.
Okay, all I remember, I was sitting in there watching television. I ate me some chicken and rice, and I heard a tap at the door, and from my headboard, I look in the mirror and see who's coming, who's at the door. And when I look back, I saw the big guy come in, and then when I looked back in the mirror again, the other guy come in and he had the mask, and I knew something was going down then. And the big guy, by the time I went to get up, the big guy stepped to me and he said, well, where that? Give it up. Give it up. And that's when me and him tussled a little bit, and then the other guy stuck the gun to me, and then I backed off.
Okay.
And then they went to holler, well, where that? Give it up, give it up, give it up.
Who was saying that?
That's what the guy with the gun was saying then.
Okay.
Then I said, man, I don't have no money. I do not have no money here. And so while he was holding the gun to me, then the big guy went to searching. Well, he got that out of my pocket. I had about $77 in my pocket. They got that, and then he got the jug. I had some change in it, maybe $15, $20 maybe in the jug, and he dumped that out. Then he went to searching through the house. And he couldn't find nothing. I had 2 bottles of liquor there, and he grabbed that.
Well, you saying he grabbed
the big guy?
The big guy. Okay.
Yeah, the big guy grabbed that.
Okay.
And after he kept searching, then he went to tell the guy, shoot that motherfucker, shoot him.
So the big guy saying that to the smaller guy.
Saying that to the guy with the gun.
The guy with the gun. Did he have a mask on?
Yeah, the big the one with the gun had a mask.
Had a mask.
On.
Okay.
Yeah, the one with the gun had the mask on.
Okay.
And but I just thank God that he didn't shoot me.
How many times did he say it?
Maybe 2-3 times.
Did the guy with the gun ever reply back?
No, he never said nothing.
Okay.
No, he never said nothing. But then he hit me upside the head with the gun.
The smaller guy.
Smaller guy. Mm-hmm. Then after they got that, then he made me get on the floor. Then after that, they left. They left out.
Okay.
Can you guys tell me what you saw?
It's a truck sped off. We heard about 5 shots and came out here. He was laid right here.
Still breathing. Where they at?
Okay, they're coming right now. They're coming right now. White truck. Anything else that you can remember?
Ma'am, I can't tell. When I seen him lay on the ground, I tried to grab him.
He breathing real slow now. He was real hard. Now he breathing real slow.
They're coming right now.
Calm down. Granny, calm down.
Saw the vehicle.
White truck.
It's a white truck.
Just
Baby, calm down.
that it's a white
Calm
truck.
down.
They didn't see
Calm
the
down. Calm down. No, don't look at him. Calm down. Calm
Okay.
down.
Hey, back up.
Calm down.
Come on. They coming.
Hey, can I have somebody come on
Black
this
male,
side?
he's
Just kind of
30-something years old. He's 35.
Still breathing though.
Okay, hold pressure on it, okay? Wait, yeah.
It's a white truck that sped off. I seen the back door.
Do you know if it was older model, newer model, what kind? If it was Chevy,
ma'am,
nothing like that?
I promise you I couldn't tell.
Okay.
It was a white 4-door truck.
Okay.
Somebody jumped in the back seat and they sped off. It's me, Granny. It's me. Don't come out here. It's me, Granny. Calm down. Move.
10-4.
Move.
I don't know who. I had just walked in the house when we heard that.
Do you know the person?
Do I know him? Yes.
No, the person that was shooting. No,
ma'am, I wasn't.
Does anybody know?
We heard gunshots. We heard gunshots. We thought it was far away. Then they was sounded too close. We ran from out here. And we ran back out here when we seen the truck speed off. Okay. I can't tell you what kind of truck it was. It was white. It was a 4-door white truck.
Okay.
Move.
I think it was like
where's he hit,
truck or something like that.
Do you know where he's hit?
In his back and somewhere in his face. Or on his shoulder, right here on this side.
Okay, keep holding pressure on that.
Where's this ambulance? He not moving. He ain't shaking no more. Where's his ambulance? This man got a 1-year-old son.
Then I started getting spit. I said, man, no, somebody just got shot. You got your daddy phone?
Jesus.
He needs it.
Oh boy. Jesus. Come on, move. You got to stay with me. Move.
No, I guess they was already chilling because they was helping for a little minute. So I don't know, one of them in the house already knew
Oh, Jesus. Move.
Fox right here.
Move.
Hey, it's been 10:39.
Move.
I got a round right here.
What kind of bullet is it?
I don't know, ma'am. There looks like there's a hole in the window there in the concrete, but there's an actual round right here. Where it came in at, I'm looking. Oh yeah, I found Eddie. Yeah, right here. Oh, it hit here. Well, I don't know that one's it's pretty much intact. That's kind of unusual. So there's a bullet hole right here. All right, if we could just kind of keep from walking in and out for me, please. Did something go through get hit in here?
No, the chair was sitting to the table.
Okay.
It's called a 1937.
Yeah.
All right, if y'all could do me a favor, you have a side door or something. If y'all could just stay inside, use that side door.
Yeah,
If you could, because this is part of the crime scene now, because it's got the hole in it. So if you could stay, keep from coming in and out, that would be appreciated. Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate it.
So we just got the one.
We've got the round here. We've got a hole here. The hole here. No, it ricocheted. That might very well be it on the ground. No, it's here, Eddie. It's here. It's fragments over here.
Okay.
I'm standing on them.
So you got fragments. We got the
Yep, another fragment over here. And
right, so let's keep everybody inside.
yeah, that's what I told. Oh, here it is, Eddie. It's here. Yeah, it's here. So this has got to get rid. You got to tape all this off. Well, yeah, finding the hole where the round came in over here. Yeah, see, I'm running out of paper. Uh-oh.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know where it would have come in on this side here.
Our birthday, y'all. We just came back from Hawaii. Not even 3 days ago. Oh my God. And he told him to be careful. You don't know who you fucking with.
That's what the friend said to him?
Yeah.
He's probably not going to be able to get out for a car. Because we're right there. We're trying to come around this way.
They killed him.
These people need to get their cars out this.
Oh my God, Lord.
Yeah.
Police cars.
We get his ID yet?
I don't know. What's his name?
Wardell Mitchell.
How do you spell it?
Wardell.
Mitchell?
Yes, Mitchell. Mitchell.
How old is he?
He's 35. We just turned 35 on the 28th.
Bro. What is it?
We turned 35 on the 28th of January.
So what's the friend's name? Was you getting out your phone?
It's not in my phone.
Oh,
I
okay.
have to call his cousin because I didn't know his friend like that. They was like kind of distant since me and him been together. We've been together going on 3 years.
Okay.
And they was kind of distant, but they was beefing, and I kept telling him like, calm down. We all the way in Hawaii, XYZ. But I would never forget that threat he sent to him because I was like, damn, y'all was supposed to be best friends for a long time. Why would he threaten you like that?
Right, exactly. Where were you at?
Home.
Were you?
I was talking about just now?
Yeah.
When they called, my grandma called me because my brother initially called me and told me he walked in the house and he heard 4 gunshots. He came back outside and Moose had been shot. But I thought he was playing. So I hung up my phone and then my grandma called me and said it, and that's when I came.
I got you. Okay.
Okay.
I didn't know if you were inside here or where. Okay.
I wasn't inside.
Okay.
I would have shot back. I'm concealed.
Yeah. You know where this friend stays at?
Actually, he not stable.
You don't know anybody he was having arguments with or money problems or nothing like that?
No, he don't argue with nobody. He don't have no money problems or nothing.
Nobody was jealous of him or anything like that for anything?
That I know of, man. Damn, man, they done killed those, man.
What makes you think it's him though?
Because we was in Hawaii and they was arguing. And Jonah made a comment about, it's in his phone.
They say what?
Everything that they was texting, but he had repeated something Jonah said was, you better be careful, you better watch yourself, because you don't know who you fucking with. And I'm like, how can y'all say that about somebody? You know, y'all supposed to be best friends.
Right.
Like,
What are they arguing about though?
It's about weed.
Do they just both deal and they're like in each other's shit basically or something?
It was, you know, he don't really put me in his business like that, so I ain't got no choice. I got to be on my kids. I got to live for my kids.
You're not leaving or anything, right? Well, you can't leave anyways, but
I got to leave, but I'm trying to see if they're gonna bring me some clothes. I just went to gushing blood. They called and told me, and when I pulled up and really seen it, I just.
Alright. They don't have anything in the house for you? For extra clothes?
I can ask my husband. Yeah, I have to. But I need to use the bathroom.
You don't know who lives here?
Yeah, I can go in there. They done told me before.
Oh, okay.
Sit in there.
Yeah.
Oh my God, this the corner? Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I'm gonna find out.